Namaste and a very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. My name is Pinesh Nisad and my father's name is Vinod Nisad and I am from Pakri Vijur. Now I am going to deliver a speech relative to animals. Let me start my speech with a beautiful Hindi line. माना मेरे हलक में जवान नहीं, माना मेरे हलक में जवान नहीं, पर भला उस ऊपर वाले का भी मैं इंसान नहीं. I regret to say that cruelty to animals has reached alarming levels nowadays. Cruelty to animals is the poor and violent treatment towards them. We should stop being cruelty to animals. They are also living things like us. We should always try to be kind and animals. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.